What's up guys, Shamil here, New Water Glass, and today's video is going to be about tools, and I'm going to make a little series about auto glass tools, and I'm going to start with the first video with the WRD products. I have a OrangeBat and I have a Spider 3. Both of these systems are great. If you're in the market for a cutting system, I would definitely recommend Spider 3 or OrangeBat. They both do the same work. It's just, in my opinion, this takes a little bit more time to master, but then you're gonna take the glass out faster. It's it's just a two-pull system. It pulls 2 lines, no anchor, and I said in the old videos, if you get one of those in the beginning, I would recommend using hand. Pull it by hand. If you want to go with the drill, what will happen is, because you're not comfortable with the tool yet, you will definitely rip the line. The line came with the tool was XN96, and it's the X line here on the website. It says meat cutting line, like it's not a heavy duty line. The heavy line would be P8 line, P line, and it's heavy pulled. It takes more pressure than this one. And if you're using Spider 3, I think XN will be great for Spider 3 because it's the one line, you pull it, you could control it in the beginning easier, and since this is a flat surface, you can put it as low as possible to a dashboard. Get a attachment, you put it in here, and then if you have one of these, attaches here, and then you attach the drill, and it's perfect. This thing is amazing. After I got one of these tools, my warranty job now is, if people call me and said there's a wind noise or a water leak, something like that, I don't go fix it. I just go there, use one of these, take the glass out, and 99% of the time, or even 100% of the time, this guarantees you will not break the windshield. Depends how you apply the urethane. Now, if you do a sloppy job with the urethane, this might break your glass. If you know how to apply your urethane, you will not break glass after cutting it with this. I know a lot of you guys out there gonna say, these tools make me uncomfortable, or you might see that you're wasting a little bit more time. And in the beginning, everything is gonna take time. Now, if you're gonna concentrate with body shops, you have to have this tool, because you don't want to use an extractor taking the glass out and scratch it all the way around the car that they're trying to fix. This will guarantee, because it's a fiber line, XN or P8 fiber line, they take the glass out without damaging the surface. No scratches to pinch weld. So yes, you will lose a little bit of time, but it will make you a better technician. I always say it's not about quantities, it's about quality. If you go to somebody's house and work on their Porsche and you pull out the extractor, that does not look good. Even though you're a best professional extractor user, you could cut anything without damaging nothing, you still look like an amateur. That's also important image. You have to be professional, look professional, and do professional work. So WRDs, in my opinion, great tools. Which one you want to buy? Spider 3. They have a Spider 2, which is even cheaper than this. This is Spider 3. This is I own. And OrangeBat was sent to me by Victor, and that's on he has an Instagram page. I will link in the description. All these tools, the fiber lines, any extra attachments that you want for your drill, or if you lose one of these attachments, especially this one here, that's a lock, they'll have it for you. Talk to the Victor, talk to them about the tool, get one of these, great investment to your business. Thank you very much, guys, and I hope you enjoy this, just talking about the tool video. If you do, I'm gonna make more of these, because you know, we all replace windshields or door glass, and doing outside is different than sitting right here in front of you guys and talking to you about the tools. So thank you, guys. Thank you for subscribing, thank you for commenting, sharing, and have a nice day, everybody. Peace.